I have Windows 7 installed virtual machine and I want to expand the virtual disk size because I need little more space for install software. First, let's see the virtual machine setting for the allocated disk size. You can see I have given only 15 gigabytes for the virtual disk and I have used 5.06 gigabytes. Now we power on the Windows 7 machine and see how disk partitioning done in the Windows machine. Open the Computer Management window and select Disk Management. Okay, I have 15 gigabytes hard disk, 100 megabyte primary partition and 14.9 gigabytes primary partition. Before we expand the disk size, we need to power off the virtual machine first. Let's verify the disk size once again. Open the Virtual Media Manager from File menu. First of all, I want to remind you, you have to verify your actual physical disk have the free space amount you needed for the virtual machine. If not, in future you will not able to save data on virtual machine. Click the Hard Disks tab and select your relevant hard disk, which you want to expand the size, and type the new disk size or use the slider to expand disk size, and click Apply button to save changes. In my case I am going to expand the disk size by 5 gigabytes. Now my disk size is 20 gigabytes. Again, we need to verify the settings applied correctly before we power on the machine. Okay, disk size is 20 gigabytes. Now we power on the virtual machine and see what happened to the hard disk in Windows machine. You see my hard disk size still 15 gigabytes and virtual disk size expand not affected to the hard disk partition table directly. Let's open the Computer Management again and see what happened to partition table. You can see now my hard disk size is 20 gigabytes and newly allocated capacity shown as unallocated space. You can create a new partition using unallocated space or expand the partition size of available partitions. In my case, I want to expand the size of C partition. Right-click on the partition and select Extend Volume. Click Next. You can add available free space to selected section if it is not selected automatically. Click Next. Click Finish and you are done. Now my partition size is 19.8 gigabytes and I have 13.5 gigabytes free space for my work. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe channel to watch more videos on future.